So
here it is, the Tamiya Grand Hauler body with the primer on it. It has 2 coats as intended and as said on the can of primer itself. Next we're going to be painting it blue and then stickering it off. Okay, so here's the body. I didn't film painting the blue or painting any of this so far because the blue has been a mess. But first what you want to do is do the primer and then the blue, and then you're going to sticker off the flames and then reprime it and then paint it red and take off the stickers, and then you'll get the blue effect. Any mess ups you just want to sandpaper with a very high grit sandpaper so that the scratches don't go very deep. And then what you want to do is, with the blue on the front of the hood of the car, you want to mask it off and then paint the red on the back of the cab for the flames. And then the next step for this is stickering it to get the flames. Alright, so we got the trailer all finished. We got most of the truck done. I just have to put the lights in on the MFC unit. But you can see the 2 Savox servos and the new bumper up front. Let's show what the Optimus body looks like now. So we have the stickers all cut up. We have the red and the blue underneath. So what we're going to do is now prime it, paint the sleeper and the cab blue, and then we're going to paint the front red up front and then orange going to the front of the hood. Over here we have the fenders. You got to do some touch-up paint over there. It was backing up the trailer, scratched right into it. I know, of course, right? So we got to fix that up, but this is basically the next step, and we're going to move on to the other coat.